Welcome, everyone. I'm excited to talk with you today about accounting. My name is Kathy. I'm the enrollment coach for our accounting programs. Let's get started. So here is the agenda for today. There is a discount for attending live today. And I will go through accounting program information, including the 2 certificates and courses. What is enrollment options and the pricing, how to finance your education, and the last part will be the Q&A. Just for attending today's information session, you will receive $100 off your first class with us. So we will be sending out a follow-up email in the next day. Please note this offer cannot be combined with any other discounts. So given our limited time today, I'm not going to spend a lot of time on our program structure. So you can find a lot of great information on our website. I also encourage you to contact me if you have any specific questions or would like to discuss the best plan for you. So as you can see, our accounting program is completely online. So each course is 4 quarter units of academic units. So the certificate can be bundled as a whole, or you can take individual courses. So completing the coursework in both the certificates meets accounting education requirements to sit for the CPA. We are following quarter system, so there are 4 quarters in a year. Each quarter is about 3 months long. So we generally recommend that people who are working full-time just taking 1 course per quarter. There are 2 certificates programs, accounting principles, including 4 courses, and accounting specialist, including 5 courses. The first certificate we offer is the Principal Certificate Program. So this certificate is perfect for individuals with no accounting experience or those who may be working in the field but who don't have a formal or recent coursework. So Accounting Principles Certificate offers core coursework similar to an undergraduate manner. So you will want to begin with the Principles Financial Accounting class. This is a prerequisite for all other courses as well, and it can be taken concurrently. So you can see there are 4 courses here. You will need to take Intermediate Accounting Part 1 before Intermediate Accounting Part 2. Other than that, there is no order you need to follow. The specialist certificate is designed for those who already have accounting experience or accounting coursework. It includes 5 courses in total. For example, if you minored in accounting as an undergraduate study, this would be the right program for you since you already have the core courses. So once again, the Principles of Financial Accounting is the prerequisite course for all of these courses. And the students are now required to take the principal certificate prior to pursuing a specialist certificate. It really depends on what is your plan, what is your goal. So you can just chat with me to learn more about it, and I can help you to schedule or plan a course plan for you. So these courses can be taken in any order. So you will need to just remember. So each course offered once per year, with the exception of financial statement analysis that is offered twice a year. You can pursue our certificates in 2 ways: at your own pace, which means payment for 1 course at a time, enroll in the certificate program, and take courses on a schedule that suits you. And you have 5 years to complete all coursework. Let's say, for example, if you chose to start with the accounting principal certificate program, you will have 5 years to complete all the 4 courses within 5 years. And you will need to pay a certificate registration fee, about $125. For the fast track bundle, you will enroll in the fast track section and committing to set course plan. Take 1 course per quarter as well. Make sure this plan is right for you since you are committing to take this course plan and may incur fees and penalties if you need to make change. So all courses must be taken with us. You will need to pay for entire program upfront and receive steepest discount we offer, 15% off. And also get a certificate registration fee waived. You can get a priority enrollment in classes. Additional information is, again, for those interested in sitting for the CPA exam, you will need to take all 9 of our courses, meet the 36 quarter unit requirements, including ethics in accounting. So I recommend visiting the CA California Board of Accountancy. I have put a link here, and as well as a test prep service is called Backer Test Prep to learn more about exactly what is required. I will include the links in the follow-up email as well. Now let's get into pricing for the program. For the textbooks are not included and run about $100 to $200 per course. You can get cheaper options online, and we recommend that the certificate registration fee can be submitted by the time you complete your first class if you enroll at own pace. If you are interested in pursuing the fast track option, you will need to select that program before you enroll in your first class. So you can see here, if you enroll in the fast track bundle, you will need to pay $29.92 in full at the time of enrollment with a 15% discount already. And you can save $528 on the cost of the program. If you enroll at your own pace, you will just need to pay individual course at $880 per course, make a total of $3,520 plus a one-time non-refundable registration fee for the certificate, $125. For the accounting specialist certificate program, if you enroll in the fast track, you will need to pay $3,740 in full and save about $660. And if you enroll at your own pace, the same, each course is $880 per course, make a total of $4,400. We have covered the pricing, and now let's talk about how you can finance your education. So if you are interested in exploring funding from private loans or government assistance, such as job training or veteran education benefits, I'd recommend you to go to write down our finance advisor, Suzette, information. She is the specialist to help you with that. And right now we are very excited to offer new solution to support our students for your professional development. So as our student, you now have access to a completely free career resources platform that can help you. It will include develop or refine your professional goals, build a career plan, and create a professional brand, boost your communication and leadership skills, practice and hone your interview skills using an interactive tool, create or update a resume using an interactive resume builder, and explore career path and view thousands of job openings. Once you enroll in the program as our student, you will have free access to this platform. Okay, so now that you have heard all of our program, it's time for the next step. I would like to open the Q&A session, so feel free to write down your question to the Q&A board so I can answer your question here. Yes, feel free to input your question into the Q&A box. So our summer classes will be starting on June 26th and now open for enrollment. Oh, here comes the first question. Typically, what time of day are the Zoom classes held? Good question. So the class is online. There is no Zoom session you need to attend. Really, you can schedule your own time. We'd recommend for one class you spend 12 hours per week. So for these 12 hours, you can decide if you want to take a little bit time every day or spend all the time over the weekend. So for the classes is on a weekly basis. There will be weekly due assignments and homework. You will just need to make sure you can submit all the homework and assignments on time before or on the due date. So there is no live session you need to attend. It's really flexible. You can, let's say, for example, some people prefer take about 2 to 3 hours per day, or some people prefer to spend all the 12 hours or 15 hours over the weekend. That's really up to your own time or own schedule. Are the 9 courses sufficient to sit for the CPA exam, or are there any other requirements? Thank you for your question. So for the 9 courses are sufficient for the CPA education requirements. So there will be some other requirements, let's say, per my knowledge, there will be business courses requirements. I will include the CPA, the California Board of Accountancy website. You will need to check the website to see other requirements. One is registration deadline for June. So the June classes will be starting on June 26th. There's no hard enrollment deadline. It is open enrollment. So you can enroll on the day of a class start, or we can open up enrollment until the first week after class starts. Yeah, for the flexibility. Yes, this is a no live session. Thank you. How do exams work? We are using online learning platform Canvas. So there will be homework and assignments through the learning platform. You will have assigned homework through the learning platform. And there will be instructors available as well. In case you have question, you can connect with instructors through the learning platform. And there is a chat function in the learning platform as well. So for the prerequisite course, Principles of Financial Accounting, if you believe you have taken the same course or similar elsewhere within 5 years, please feel free to send me the transcript. I can send to our instructor to have an eligibility review. You might be able to waive the prerequisite course. So I will be also emailing you all follow-up information, including the link to the financing your education. Most people will go with either the private loan, or some people will go with the workforce training funds, or and also the code for your $100 off coupon. Additional information, the CPA, California Board of Accountancy website, you can check more information on that to see if you are qualified to sit for the CPA exam. And also, I will be including my Calendly link. I'm ready. My calendar is up to date. You can either schedule a phone call or Zoom meeting with me for one-on-one. I can help you to plan your course or see what is your background to help you to understand more. Do we need to take any assessments prior to enrollment? No, this is open enrollment program. You will just need to make sure you are either you are qualified for the prerequisite course, or you can just start with the prerequisite course, Principles of Financial Accounting. Okay, let me launch a poll so we can understand your we want to collect some feedback from you, and we can make improvements in the future information session. Meanwhile, there's another question, online reading or hardback text. There will be online reading, there will be pre-recorded videos, there will be readings, and also there were some available resources on the learning platform. That's all the class. So there are assignments, homework, quizzes for different classes. Can these classes transfer to a degree down the road? That is possible because all our classes for the 9 classes are academic credits, which means they are transferable. However, if you want to make sure all the classes, if you want to take from us, can be transferred to other institution, you will need to check the intake institution, what is their curriculum, and whether they accept our curriculum or not. But they are transferable. Great. Thank you for your participation. Do you help with the job placement? Great question. We don't directly help with the job placement, but there will be really good networking through the program. As I have already showed that we have a career platform, free career platform supporting, and also all our instructors are currently working as either CPA or in the accounting area, and you can share the networking with our instructors, with fellow students as well. Yeah, so if you have any additional questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. I'm available to set a personal appointment to talk by phone or Zoom. If you would like to hear more about the program or have very specific questions, you can jot down my email, and also you can jot down my calendar link to schedule with me. Let's take another 2 minutes for the questions. So it is not necessary for you to take a whole certificate program. That really depends on your plan, on your goal. What are you looking for? You just need some courses for the CPA, or you just want to improve your skills for the first several courses. You can take the whole certificate, or you can take individual course. So chat with me. If you have upon your availability, to learn more how to plan your course, how to do your career advancement in the future. Can we get more information on the fast track course? Actually, fast track course is the same with open pace course. They are all the same. It's just the way of enrollment is different. Whether you want to enroll individually, pay as you go, or you want to take advantage of the fast track tuition discount to pay as a whole. So this is just a payment and a course plan difference, but all the courses are the same. Okay, let's take 1 more minute for the questions. Okay, great. So I will send you the follow-up email tomorrow. So make sure that if you have a more specific question and you want me to help you with the course plan, please feel free to schedule one-on-one meeting through my calendar link. I would be more than happy to help you with your career goal, your academic goal. Thank you again for your participation today. Have a great day.